Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to Claude AI. This is incredibly useful when you need to analyze documents, extract information, or get insights from lengthy files without reading through everything manually. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Claude.ai. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your details to access your account and get started with the platform. After logging in, you'll land on the main interface where you'll see the chat input box positioned in the center of the page. This is where all your interactions with Claude happen. Now look for the plus icon located near this input box. Click on it and you'll see a menu appear with several options. From this menu, select Add Files or Photos. This feature allows you to upload various file types, including PDFs, which Claude can then process and analyze. A file browser window will pop up on your screen, showing you the folders and files stored on your device. Navigate through your files and locate the PDF document you want to upload. Once you've found it, click on it to select it, then hit the Open button. This action will upload your PDF directly into the chat, and you'll see it appear as an attachment in the conversation thread. Now that your PDF is successfully uploaded, it's time to give Claude some instructions. Click inside the main chat input box and type your request. For example, you could type something like, "Can you analyze this PDF file?" This tells Claude exactly what you want it to do with the document you just uploaded. Feel free to be more specific if you need particular information extracted or summarized. Once you've typed your request, you have two options to proceed. You can either press the Enter key on your keyboard, or you can click the Send button that appears next to the input box. Both actions will submit your request to Claude and initiate the analysis process. After you hit Send, Claude will begin processing your PDF. This might take a few moments depending on the size and complexity of the document, so be patient while it works through the content. Once the analysis is complete, Claude will display its response directly in the chat. Take your time to read through the answer carefully and see if it addresses your needs. You can always follow up with additional questions or ask for clarification on specific points if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded and analyzed a PDF using Claude AI. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.